Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Michael and today I'm going to share with you another cocktail recipe. It is my take on a margarita. We are not going to be using that mixed stuff that you get in the store. We're going to be making this from scratch. So with just a few ingredients, we'll have that cocktail ready to go. So first off, we're going to start with our glass. We're going to get it prepped. If you like the salt around the top of the rim of the glass, definitely you want to try this step. We're going to take some lime juice and we're just going to take that and squeeze that just on the outside of the rim. Just like that. Then you'll take your glass and we're going to dip it down into the salt and give it a little bit of a turn. Now that we've got the salt on our glass, we'll set that aside and we'll get ready to start making our cocktail. I'm going to grab just a few ice cubes and put them into my shaker. And then we'll start with our ingredients. So I've got a silver tequila here and we'll be putting in 2 ounces of silver tequila. And then we'll be adding 1 ounce of lime juice. So I'm going to go ahead and get my lime squeezed here. And then the next item is going to be, we need a 1/2 ounce of our simple syrup. And I will add that in now. You can also use agave syrup if you've got that. And you can definitely use that if you don't have the simple syrup on hand. And if you haven't seen the video on how I make this simple syrup, I'll put that link in that description box. You can go check that out. It is so easy to make. And it's a lot cheaper than buying it in the store. All right, for the other half of our sweet, we can either put a Cointreau or we can put a triple sec. And for this recipe today, I'll put in a 1/2 ounce of my Cointreau. All right, we've got all of our ingredients now in our shaker. We're going to put the top on it and give it a good shake for about 10 to 15 seconds. All right, we'll put our strainer on top of our cocktail shaker here, and we'll go ahead and add that to our glass. Now we're going to garnish it with a little bit of a lime. There you go, my take on a margarita. This could not be any easier. I know you're going to love this, and we're not going to use those mixes in the store. You're going to make this from scratch. It is so good and so easy to make. I hope you like this content. If you do, maybe you might consider giving me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And check out one of the other 2 videos over here on the side. You might find something else you like. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section what you think of this drink, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye now.